Hi everyone,
We are the junior safety officers.
as you can probably remember, and today we are going to be showing you a presentation on the winners of last month's competition and this week's this month's bulletin. So here it is. So, oh gosh, welcome back. I'm sure you've all been very missing us. I'm sure you have.
So,
Well, it's good. Well, first we're going to do the winners, and then we're going to do November's focus.
so drum roll please. The winners were Emmett Hessen Collins for Key Stage 1.
He came first. So, Emmett, nice colouring, and you did get the words right, so well done. Now, Key Stage 2, first place, Percy Helm. Very, very nice. It was done not on paper, but digitally. Still very good. Second place,
Isabella Yates, and she did a very good poem.
it was all about night, and it was nice, and the reflective colours. Third place, Astrid. Astrid Hessen Collins.
You did a very nice poem too.
But couldn't top Isabella's or Percy's. All of you will be receiving your prizes off your teachers after this assembly.
So, November's bulletin.
Well, you've all probably heard the term zebra crossings. You all know it, even your parents, probably even your grandparents.
So, and have you ever tried to cross a road on your own?
Have you found some roads are easier to cross than others? Busier roads can be harder to cross, but it doesn't mean they are more dangerous. Quiet roads are dangerous too.
Always look for a pedestrian crossing,
also known as zebra crossing.
Yep.
As you can see, a beautiful demonstration here. Always use the green cross code. Stop,
look,
listen,
and think before you cross a road.
What are pedestrian crossings? These are places for people walking and using the pavements to cross the road.
There are many different types, such as zebra crossings, traffic islands, subways, and footbridges.
There are also light-controlled crossings, like pelican crossings. Always wait for the green man to appear first. So have you ever seen one of those things where it's got like a little thing, you press the button, and then there's a red person, then when the person turns green, the parents like tell you, right, time to cross the road now, Jim, or whatever your name is.
But remember, just because the green man is lit doesn't mean the cars have always stopped. Always check before you cross, even if there's a green man.
So, also, we're going to talk about some bullying. I know Mr. Boot talked about it last week, and you're probably all experts on it, but we just want to recap on some of it.
So, bullying can happen anywhere and be about anything. It is not okay. Bullying is repetitive and can make us feel upset, angry, and lonely. Sometimes the bully won't realise they are bullying someone. They may think they are just being funny as their friends laugh. Try some of these tips and they may help.
Tell an adult you trust, like a family member or teacher. Write down what is happening.
Write down when it is happening.
Take screenshots for evidence.
Practice being assertive. Can't read that.
Don't say nasty things back. Be the better person.
Try to leave the situation.
Ask for help from someone else by.
Think about your own actions.
Think about the words you say to others.
Call Childline for advice or go on their website.
That last one was if you don't have anyone else and you really feel like you have to.
So you can always remember their phone number by 0800 1111.
So that's 0800 0800 1111. You could also have friends who make you feel good about yourself.
If someone is always making you sad, they are not a real friend.
Be kind to yourself and do things that make you feel good.
Try a new hobby or make new friends.
There are all different sorts of clubs to choose from, and those friends will have similar interests. But you might not be able to do this at this moment in time because of COVID and everything. But if you go to Cubs or Beavers or Brownies or things like that, Rainbows, they do like Skype calls. So if your parents have a laptop at home and if they go on Facebook, see when your next meeting is
online. So you could try out art, a new sport, dancing, acting, chess, and many more clubs.
So we're going to see you next month, but here are some hints for what next month's going to be about. Can you have any ideas of what they might be about? So
we'll see you next month, and we hope you have enjoyed this assembly. Sorry about the lighting here, it's very bad. So we'll see you next month, and we hope that you've had a really good time watching this assembly, and hopefully you've learned some tips on how to stay safe with bullying and also around zebra crossings.
Be safe,
be seen,
and always be alert. Bye.